inside the Niger Delta.
Welcome back. It's Inside the Niger Delta, the authentic voice of Nigeria's oil-rich region. Indigenes of Igbide community in Isoko South local government area of Delta State have called on the federal government and its agencies to come to their rescue with the completion of the long-abandoned direct access road project from their community direct to the east-west road. The road, which was originally to run from Ozoro through Ole, Uzere, Emede, Igbide, Owodokpokpo, and Ume, was supposed to terminate at the east-west road. It was initially awarded for construction by the defunct Bendel State government of Professor Ambrose Ali in 1981.
Construction work on the access road from Ozoro through Igbide to the east-west road commenced in 1982, as can be seen from the inscription on this culvert in Igbide. The project was however put on hold after the military took over the reins of government in 1983. Since that time, some 38 years ago, the Igbide people say successive governments have promised to complete the road but have not lived up to their promises. Igbide is currently surrounded by 3 communities, Enwe, Emede and Olomoro, which also provide access roads into Igbide. However, Igbide people say, apart from the Olomoro road, which is in a state of disrepair, they suffer constant blockade along the Enwe and Emede roads at the slightest sign of communal dispute.
The access road that leads to Igbide, they are blocked. One is blocked at Emede by the Emede people. The other one is blocked by Enwe, who is our neighbor. So we only pass through the small patchment of road that pass through Lomoro to Igbide. That is the only way we are coming to Igbide right now.
The Igbide people, through the Igbide Development Forum, IDF, are now asking the federal government to, as a matter of urgency, come to their aid with the construction of the Igbide end of the road, a stretch of 7 kilometers that terminates at the east-west road.
A community that has 11 oil wells and a flow station has no access road for them to get out of the place. It's unbelievable.
Known as Akugha Road, named after the initiator of the project, the late Honorable Clement Akugha, a former member of the old Bendel State House of Assembly. The road was part of the demands presented by the Isoko Development Union, IDU, when they met with President Buhari in Aso Rock in 2018.
Another road we mentioned to him that our late Papa Akugha initiated was the Emede, Oteri Gbide Uzere road, which he also said the Minister of Works will give attention to. Yes, the Minister of Works visited here 2018 and went to inspect the road, but up till now, nothing has been done.
For 6 decades, oil has been mined in Igbide, yet the people say there is no physical presence of the federal government in Igbide. They say the construction of this road will at least give them a sense of belonging.
From here to Emede, the road is bad. To Olomoro, the same thing. To Enwe, the same thing. So we are just staying without any developments.
My appeal is that either NDDC or the other federal agencies should be committed to complete the access road so that the Owodokpokpo should be opened up. We are landlocked.
While they are waiting on the government to come to their rescue, the Igbide Development Forum say they will be embarking on a self-help mission to at least reopen the abandoned road.
Government is not listening to us, so nobody is listening to us. So we, the Igbidians, people of Igbide, we want to take our salvation in our hands. We want to self-help, want to engage on self-help to get across to the east-west road.
38 years after it was abandoned, the construction of the Akugha Road from Igbide to the east-west road will no doubt open up Igbide and surrounding communities to boost socio-economic activities.
Inside the Niger Delta.